Hey everybody, what's going on? Today I'm going to do another unboxing video. And I will be unboxing this Microsoft Surface Book and setting it up as well. So, let me carefully take the cover off of this. You can either use a pen or some scissors. There we go. Opens right up. And here's the cool part. It slides right out, just like that, and you are greeted with the Surface Book. So let me just pull it out. And in the box, you'll notice there are some compartments. Just like that. This one contains the manual. This one contains the charger. So even before turning the Surface on, it is recommended that you plug in the charger first. So let me just plug in it in here. I'm going to plug it into this outlet. And before plugging in the other end, I have to take it out of its little pouch just so I don't worry about messing it up. Opens up and slides out. Just like that. And now I can plug this other end into here. It's a magnetic clip, so it just fits on nice and snug. This laptop also comes with two USB 3 ports and an SD card adapter, along with the charger and a USB-C type port. Open it up and you'll notice that I must have accidentally turned it on, but once you first set it up, this is what you're greeted with. You will want to continue. So in this case, English is our language. Yes.
Hi there, I'm Cortana, and I'm here to help. A little sign in here, a touch of Wi-Fi there, and we'll have your PC ready for all you plan to do. You can use your voice or the keyboard along the way, and if you'd like me to stay quiet, you can just mute your PC. If you need an assistive screen reader, press the Windows, Control, and Enter keys at the same time to enable narrator.
I am just going to mute this. Okay, so first off, region, United States. Yes. Keyboard layout, US. Yes. I do not want a second keyboard layout. I am going to connect to the network. This also does support 5G. Okay, I am going to click next. I didn't want to show you me typing in my password. And now it is looking for updates. Click accept. I'm going to set this up for personal use. and click Next. Now, I do not want to sign in with the Microsoft account for the sake of the purpose of using this laptop, so I'm going to create an offline account. This is also known as creating a local account. It's going to ask you again, so click No. And now I'm going to name this using a local account. I am just going to name this like the intern laptop. I'm not sure if you can see it that well, but I'm just going to name it intern laptop. Click Next. Not going to bother with the password at the moment. Yes, I would like to use Cortana. If you did not want Windows 10 to spy on you, you would be turning all of this off. But you can configure that after you load Windows, so I'm just going to click Accept. Hi. Now it's doing its standard setting up procedure. And there you have it. Windows 10 is officially set up on this Surface Book. Thank you for watching this unboxing and installation video. I will see you next time.
This video is brought to you by Money Words Marketing. A lot of marketing companies are guilty of bending your ear about search engine optimizations, pay-per-click, digital impressions, broadcast, cable, even social media. The problem is these are just ways of delivering your message. If the message is not great, it won't get results. Money Words Marketing is run by a master copywriter and brand strategist who helps small companies create great messages that boost sales. I can recommend their free 31-page guide, 5 Fatal Blunders Guaranteed to Send Prospects Packing, and How to Fix Them All. It's helped me. For your free guide, go to the 5 Blunders download link in the description below.